Welcome back to the Daily Bitcoin 5. 5 stories every day that matter to Bitcoin. Today on the Bitcoin 5, Strategy raised $2 billion in 1 week with no Bitcoin sales and introduce a whole new category of reserves. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Current price, about $78,100. Bitcoin surged 22.7% over the past 4 weeks, climbing from about $63,700 on July 27th to reclaim the $78,000 level. The most dramatic move came in the past week alone, with BTC posting its largest weekly candle since March 2023, up 23.6% and $14,800 in 7 days. Story 5. Saylor. Bitcoin converts economic energy into digital property rights. Michael Saylor articulated Bitcoin's fundamental value proposition in a single sentence. Bitcoin's most profound breakthrough is the ability to convert economic energy into digital form and bind it securely to a person, family, company, machine, or nation. The comment distills Bitcoin's core innovation, transforming abstract energy and work into an immutable digital property right. The framing positions Bitcoin not as a speculative asset or alternative currency, but as a technology for storing human effort across time and space. Story 4. US launches greatest financial offensive ever against Iran. Bessent warned that any country continuing to do business with Iran will become a global pariah, signalling unprecedented economic pressure. The announcement comes as the Iranian rial crashed to a new all-time low against the US dollar, having lost approximately 97.5% of its value in just 1 year. The currency collapse illustrates the devastating power of dollar-denominated sanctions and highlights the weaponization of the global financial system. Story 3. Strive's CEO hinted at additional Bitcoin purchases in a social media post declaring the company is firing on all cylinders. The comment comes as corporate Bitcoin adoption accelerates and follows Strategy's announcement of strengthened reserves and continued accumulation. Strive joins a growing list of publicly traded companies building Bitcoin treasury positions as a hedge against monetary debasement and dollar weakness. The timing is notable, coming during Bitcoin's strongest weekly performance in over 3 years. The announcement suggests Strive isn't waiting for a pullback to add to its position. Story 2. Bitcoin just closed one of its most powerful weekly candles in recent history, surging 23.6% and adding $14,800 in a single week, which is the highest weekly gain in Bitcoin history. The move pushed Bitcoin back above $78,000 and marked the largest weekly gain in percentage terms since March 2023, when Bitcoin was emerging from the FTX fallout. The breakout is triggering comparisons to previous cycle bottoms, with technical analysts noting that every major trend reversal has started with exactly this type of explosive weekly candle. Story 1. Saylor's Strategy announced it increased its USD reserve to $5.10 billion, but also established an additional $1.59 billion in cash and repurchased $136 million of its preferred stock, STRC. As of August 23rd, the company holds approximately 4% of Bitcoin's total supply with effectively zero net leverage. The move signals Strategy is fortifying its position while maintaining flexibility for future Bitcoin acquisitions. The $1.59 billion in additional cash gives Saylor substantial dry powder for opportunistic purchases, whether buybacks of preferred, repaying convertible debt, repurchasing common stock, increasing the USD reserve further, and of course the option to buy more Bitcoin. With $2 billion raised in 1 week, the balance sheet continues to strengthen dramatically, and with this new category of USD cash strategies, optionality is now even greater than before. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.